This is how to spy on your competitors for free and use that information to boost your SEO. First, you should know who your competitors are. If you're not sure, search your niche and note websites that rank for good keywords. Go to their sitemap by typing /sitemap.xml after their domain. This will show how their site is built and which pages are currently bringing in traffic. I'm going to choose their product sitemap for this example. Open a new tab and paste the URL. Now we're going to copy this text. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to extract the keywords. We're going to verify which keywords have search volume and are easy to target using the free Ahrefs keyword generator. This whole process is free and effective for spying on competitors. See you in the next one.